Tonight's video is on a follow-up to Dhs shit fuckery. So, if you haven't seen your child for a while and you think Dhs has some claim over your child, what I suggest you do is probably organise a meeting with them, go into their offices, hand them a notice of demand that they return your property immediately, as the child is your property. Rip shit through them. Request to see any signed instrument that they may be relying on that they have a higher claim over your child than what you do. So this should cause enough controversy to get the matter into an equity court or civil court, whatever you want to call it, which is like a dodgy magistrate court. So probably not an equity court, just like a place where they want to contract with you. Now, Halsbury's laws of England state that a magistrate court cannot be legitimised because of constitutional constraints. It would therefore go to reason that a magistrate court is illegitimate. It would therefore go to reason that a magistrate court is merely a commercial entity operating in equity. So, once they've lodged it in the court for you, get in there and state your piece. Don't be swearing on the Bible now, because it's not right to blaspheme. So don't play into their little game. You can affirm, don't swear on the Bible, and you instruct the magistrate to return your child immediately, that you do not consent any longer, and that if Dhs have a higher claim to your child, then they should produce those documents immediately. So don't put up with their shit fuckery, I would suggest. You've got a child, and if Dhs have stolen it, they need to return the child. Don't be taking any instructions from the magistrate. Acquiescence, read up about acquiescence. I've got a video about that. So silence is agreement. So a magistrate has no authority to rule over you, and if he does, request to see a signed power of attorney. Take it out of the fictional law and put it in the real world. Request to see signed powers of attorney, signed, so for example, if you've maybe adopted your child, then you've probably waived all your rights to your child, but give it a crack anyway. You can withdraw from a contract. That's acceptable in my opinion. It's up to them to find another customer to fulfill those obligations once you withdraw from your contract. So just keep at them, and it doesn't matter whatever their claim is, right? That you've caused harm to the child, whatever. None of that really matters. That you've sworn, it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. They don't really want it's like you're operating in a civil law jurisdiction. All they want to do is contract with you. So look up your contract law and make sure you're aware of your contract law. So expressed, implied, tacit. There's people that do contract law online, so go study that. And that's all that's happening in the magistrate court. And I've also got videos in regard to council rates, shit fuckery, stuff like that. I've been around for a few years now. I've seen what goes on. I've seen how they operate. And there's no point going in there, arguing arguing law, right? Like real law, like your right to travel on the road. They don't care about that, because all they want you to do is contract, and they'll tell you that they don't care and it's irrelevant, which it is. So concentrate on their law. So, for example, their contract law. Don't contract with them. Cheers.